Your router's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes contact the commutator on the armature. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you will want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the motor brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old brushes from the motor. The brushes are located behind the brush caps. I'll use a large screwdriver to remove the cap. Once the cap is removed, I can remove the brush. Now I can install the new brush. I align it with the brush holder and insert it. Next, I'll align the clip with the brush holder. And now I'm ready to reinstall the cap. These caps can be a little tricky to reinstall because of these long extensions on the motor housing. So I'll hold the brush with a small screwdriver and then quickly slide the brush cap over the top of the brush. And then secure the cap. I want to be careful as I secure the cap that I don't over tighten it, or I can strip out the threads or crack the cap. And now I repeat this process on the other side. And that's how you can install new brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up